Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Digital Dave. Remember the old days when removing things from images or artwork in Photoshop used to be a real challenge? It took a lot of time and skill. But now, thanks to advancements in AI technology, there are powerful AI tools that make the process super easy. It's quick, and the best part is anyone can do it. Today, we're checking out a super handy tool called Clipdrop. It's one of the best out there, and the great thing is that the cleanup tool is totally free. The only downside is you can't download the images in high-quality format after editing. But honestly, for a free tool, it makes things so much easier. Alright, let's jump right into the tutorial. Open Google and type Clipdrop in the search bar. Look for the website with the link clipdrop.co and click on it. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you find the Tools section. There, you'll see the Cleanup tool. Go ahead and click on it. Here's what the tool looks like. You'll find some examples right below. It's really fun to explore and try them out. Just drag this slider and you'll see how easy it is to remove the balloon from the image. Select Real Estate and check that you can remove the items around the kitchen by dragging the slider. Okay, now enough having fun. Let's get into business. Look for the Upload section in the tool and click on it to add the image you want to edit. I'm going to upload an image I made in Photoshop. Once the image is uploaded, use the brush tool to draw over the area you want to clean up. For example, if I want to remove the logo from this artwork, I'll just brush over it like this. You can zoom in and out by holding down Ctrl and scrolling your mouse. Once you're zoomed in, to move around the image, just hold down the space bar and click the left mouse button. As I mentioned earlier, you can't download images in high quality unless you have a pro account. Then click the Clean button. Now you can see that the logo is gone. I want to remove this heart from the artwork, so I'll grab the brush tool, paint over the heart, and then hit the Clean button. You can see that I have removed the heart from the artwork. I'm looking to get rid of this pendant in my jewelry box. I'll follow the same steps I used before to do it. Great, the pendant is gone now. Alright, it's time for the fun part. Clipdrop AI has a cool tool called the Face Swap tool. It's free to use, but keep in mind that the images you download will have a watermark. Click on the Swap tool and upload the image that you want to swap faces. AI will detect the face of any image and select that area. Then what you have to do is click on this circle and select the image you want to swap this face with. Then Clipdrop will swap the faces as you can see now. Clipdrop will give some options too, which you can select by clicking these arrows. Then what you have to do is click the download button in the top right corner. That's it for today. If you want to learn more new and free AI tools, subscribe to Digital Dave. If you liked this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and share it.